This is a 2012 Ford F-150 XLT SuperCrew, blue over beige cloth interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, CD player, Microsoft Sync, which includes streaming audio, USB for your phone, aux in for your iPod. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, stylish wheel covers, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.